Hey guys, Fazman here. In this video, I am going to show you how you can earn up to $3,000 prize on BitMart. BitMart is a spot and futures cryptocurrency exchange. BitMart is a decent option for moderate and advanced crypto traders who want access to a wide range of coins and future tradings with leverage, all with lowest trading fees. This exchange offers a large selection of cryptocurrency to purchase and trade, especially those looking for less popular crypto options. So the link is available in the video description, or you can also scan this QR code. If you create an account on this website, you can win up to $3,000 welcome bonus. You just need to complete simple tasks and win up to $3,000. First, if you sign up to this platform, you can win up to $500. It's your luck, you must try. And next is deposit to get up to $1,000. So if you make a deposit of $200 or more, you are qualified to win up to $1,000. And next task is to trade and get up to $1,500. So if you complete your first trade of $200 or more, you will qualify for this. The bonus amount is random and will be distributed immediately to your account. So let's sign up for a new account using the referral code and you will get an incredible sign up bonus. Join BitMart, refer friends and earn up to 70% referral commission. So enter the referral code. The BitMart sign up bonus is 100% free and this promotion is valid right now. To claim the free bonus, simply follow these steps. Complete all the steps to create your new BitMart account and now you can participate in the lucky draw to win up to $500. Next, you can deposit $200 or more to get up to $1,000. Click on deposit. If you have crypto on your wallet or on another exchange, you can click on deposit now. Or if you don't have crypto, you can buy it. You can buy BTC, Ethereum, USDT, etc. Enter the amount and click on buy. And then you can also trade of $200 or more to qualify for $1,500. BitMart will also have a lot of new content including contracts, wealth management, etc. There are many product lines. Wealth management has staking and saving products, contracts have futures products, and leverage business has margin. You can pay more attention to it. I hope you will like it. BitMart also offers its platform as a web and mobile application. So if you have an iPhone, an iPad or an Android phone, you don't even need a desktop to start trading crypto at BitMart. Just download the app from App Store or Google Play Store. So the BitMart Crypto Exchange is the most trusted cryptocurrency exchange and digital asset trading platform for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether and altcoins trading. BitMart currently offers 1000 plus trading pairs with one of the lowest trading fees in the market. They have over 9 million users. So the link is available in the video description, so must check it out. And that's it for this video. Give this video a like and comment down below if you have any question. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.